Oh, hi, welcome back. And this video is a demonstration of my semi-martingale trade management EA. Okay, and this EA, when you first put the EA on, it doesn't do anything. It will wait for you to open a trade manually. And that trade, let's just call it the primary trade. In this case, in this picture, it shows as the first buy. So once you open that trade, and then this EA will take over. It will draw a horizontal line. In this case, will be a blue line. The horizontal line is showing the desired location for take profit. Okay? And if this trade indeed goes, in this case is a buy, indeed goes above that blue line, then trade will close as a profit, and then the entire process is over, and it will wait for you to open another trade again. But before taking profit, if price goes to the wrong direction, in this case going down, then the EA will take a recovery process and using a fixed grid. So when price goes down, it will open a series of trades, still buy trade with an enlarged lot, and each time it open a trade, and this blue line will be a fixed pip above this most recent price. Let's say my take profit is 50 pips. Once I open a second trade, my take profit will be 50 pips above the second trade. Once it opens the third trade, my take profit will be 50 pips above the third trade. And during this entire process, you can, as a user, can freely move this take profit line based on the market condition and your risk tolerance. And every time you move the line, it will always show you the current take profit amount as a result of that line. For example, right now, if I move this line and then next tick, and this will update and shows you if right now this entire group of trades take profit at this line, will be the profit as a result. And you can also tell EA how many trades maximum you are willing to open. In this case, let's assume it's 5. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades open. And as soon as the last trade opens, then we have a designated stop distance. So as you can see, this strategy, if price goes and end up into the sideways market, it will not make this recovery system will work because it won't lose that way. The only way this type of recovery system don't work is that price continue to go down and hit your stop loss. And in this case, you will sustain your maximum loss. Okay, then let's take a look at the expert property here. So for this semi-martingale EA, and first is the magic number of this particular EA, because this particular EA, it will submit trades itself, and these are the magic number for its trades. Slippage, maximum trades, this is the maximum trades or maximum recovery level you're willing to go. In this case, I'm using 5 here. And lot multiplier, if it is 2, that means the second trade lot is twice as much as first, the third is twice as much as second, etc. And obviously you can use any other number like 1.2. And grid is 30, means 30 pips, means between the trade, the distance is 30. And stop loss is 50, is the distance of the stop loss between the last open trade to the stop loss. And take profit default is 50 pips. Every time we open a trade, we put the take profit line at 50 pips above this most recently opened trades. However, as a user, you can freely move that. I will demonstrate that. This is the take profit line color here. And the last is testing direction. If it's BUY, then when you are using strategy tester, it's going to open the buy for you to simulate your market order, your manually open order. If this is sell, SELL, it's going to open the sell here. Then let's start. In this case, it opened a buy. So in practice, this buy should be opened by you manually. And then immediately you can see there's no stop loss, no take profit, but then there is a line. And also here it shows current take profit at this particular level and how many orders executed for current cycle is 1. And this is the take profit level. And also if price does go up like here, it's going to close, and then you will end up with a profit amount of $50. However, here at any time, if you think the market condition favors to change this, for whatever reason you want to change this, let's see, I moved it down. The next tick is going to tell you this is the current price, and this is how much profit you're going to end up. So for manual trader, there might be a lot of market conditions will affect you to change your decision. So at any given point, you can change this. Before it's $44. After I change, my profit will be this much. Now, prices go down 30 pips. Then I open a second buy, and then this profit automatically moves to 50 pips above this. And then after that, then obviously you can still freely move that. Remember, maximum I want to open is 5. Now price is really going down. I opened 5. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, one thing that is different, you can see after 5 trades, suddenly I have a hard stop loss. See, every trade here is modified with the stop loss. If price keep going down here, everything will be closed. And now you can see my profit is 738 if I don't move it. Okay? Now, if price does go here, everything will be closed. I will have a profit of 733 here. In this case, unfortunately, it hits the stop loss, and then I end up with 7633. As you can see, I have a 2400 loss. For this system, now you can see with my settings, I lose 2400 if it does hit stop loss. The greatest profit will make on the situation that you have all 5 trades open, then goes into take profit. But of course, that will not be the case that you're hoping for. You're hoping for the trades to take profit before that. So overall, for this type of system to be successful, you have to make sure you understand the characteristics of the vehicle you're trading, and you wanted to make sure your grid and stop loss and take profit settings to ensure the chance for the serious trade hitting stop loss is very low. By very low, I mean should be less than 5 to 10%. Only that way, then your profit can offset your losses.